Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you all have a great day. This is Hazel Amin. Today we're going to be talking about stress management. Let's get started. But before everything, we have to know that what is stress? Stress is your body's reaction to any change that it experiences. It requires adjustment or response. Your body starts to react to these changes in the form of physical, mental, and sometimes emotional responses. People usually talk about stress negatively, while it's quite normal to get stressed and it's a part of our life. And if you are an entrepreneur or someone who tries really hard to get to your next level or be successful in your life, in your business, or whatever you are doing, but you are getting stressed so much, you have to know that you have chosen success path. And success is not a comfortable procedure. It's a very uncomfortable thing to attempt. So you have to get comfortable with being uncomfortable if you ever want to be successful. So if you want to know how to manage your stress, the first thing you have to do is to know that it's totally okay to get stressed and it's a part of your journey, it's a part of your life. And something else which is really important, you have to know that stress is not a part of you. You get stressed because you don't know how to handle your mind. So if you want to learn how to manage stress, first you have to know how to master your mind. One way to manage stress is to start to look at it positively. You might say, how? Let me tell you how. Sometimes you are working so hard on a project or something and you are getting stressed about the result. Of course you are getting stressed because you are experiencing something new. You are leveling up. So instead of just thinking about that you are stressed, say that you are leveling up. This is a positive point of view to look at that feeling. So you will get rid of that feeling and you will feel proud. Or sometimes you're getting so stressed because something didn't go the way you planned for, the way you expected. So instead of just thinking about the stress or that didn't go the way you wanted, think about it as a way to push yourself, to improve yourself, get a coach, try a new way. Now the stress is good because it helps you to be more productive, more creative, more prepared for new challenges. Dr. Joseph Murphy, in his book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, says that you have to look at your mind as a garden and you are the gardener. You are planting seeds. By seeds, I mean thoughts into your subconscious mind every day based on your habitual thinking and how you are using your conscious mind. And we know that for every action, there's an equal opposite reaction. So if you decide to think about the stress and why it didn't work and what will be the result, of course, your subconscious mind reacts to this and you will get stressed. So every thought is therefore a cause and every condition is an effect. He also says that if you want to change any external condition, you have to remove the cause. Most people try to change these conditions, circumstances, by working with the condition and circumstance. While in reality, if you want to remove these things, stress, anxiety, limitations, and any of these conditions, you have to work on the cause. By the cause, I mean how you use your conscious mind, how you are thinking about it, how you are picturing this in your mind. And by the end of this video, I want to share 7 simple and very effective strategies that will help you to reduce stress. Number 1, and my favorite one, I've learned this from the amazing Mel Robbins. In her book, The High 5 Habit, she says, take a deep breath. Put your hand on your chest and repeat these 3 sentences. Say, I'm okay. I'm safe. I'm loved. Repeat these 3 sentences 3 times. And you will feel amazing. You will feel peace. You will feel that your heart rate reduces. Number 2, write down your stressful thoughts and replace them with positive thoughts. Number 3, when you wake up in the morning, do not check your messages, your notifications, and your emails. Do you want to have 100 people in your room when you wake up? Of course you don't. So don't check your emails, your notifications when you wake up. Number 4, reduce your caffeine intake. Number 5, practice mindfulness. Number 6, stay hydrated. And number 7, exercise. Do not skip this one at all. Thank you so much for watching. For more of these videos, subscribe my channel and share this with a friend because I'm sure there's one out there who needs to hear this.